Hi, my name is Olatunde, and you are very welcome here. Today in our lineup, we'll be having two famous guests who are very talented. Anyway, also, I'll be teaching them how to cook dumplings, which is an Afro-Caribbean dish. So, anyway, let's introduce our guests, Trixie and Nixie. So I know some of our guests are confused which one is Nixie and which one is Trixie. So can you please explain to me?
Well, I'm Trixie and I'm Nixie.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's good to know. Anyway, when did you start, when did you start your career?
Since I was a child, yes. Well, a teenager, really.
Okay. What do you get up to in your spare time?
Shopping yeah. And I really like watching old movies. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice to know. Which is your favorite film?
Swimming. Living Blonde, talking, and oh my god. And Little Mermaid.
Oh, okay. So anyway, would you like to show the audience some of your talents?
I'm a bit shy. We're a bit shy.
It's okay, the crowd is great.
Okay.
Today will be nice.
Okay. Trixie? No, it's wrong. I told you like 1, 2. I told you 1, 2, 5, 5.
3. The next number is 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whatever. Anyway, I told you it's not to the left side. Well, which one is left? This is left. So, left. Okay, let's go. I'm little Trixie and little Nixie. I'm little Trixie and little Nixie. Hey, you. I'm gonna get your friend.
I think we've had enough. Hold on. Okay, let's move on.
I want to sing more.
So now, we are going to move on to the dumpling making. So,
The what?
dumpling.
I'm not dumb. I cannot dumb. I'm not dumb. There's something I'm not dumb.
Oh, no. I mean dumpling. It's an Afro-Caribbean dish.
I love cooking. I make ice all the time.
What we're going to do is pour the spices into the mixture. I'm going to ask you, Trixie, to put the water in.
Go on, Trixie. You don't need to cook it. Ew, that's disgusting. Trixie, my darling. It's not like that. I'm going to stick up